It's sad what has happened just a few days ago to Osinachi Nwachukwu. There has been lots of talk all over social media, on the radio, on television, concerning the death of this amazing singer. And there's so much talk around what spouses should do when they find themselves in abusive marriages due to domestic violence. However, I want to focus on what domestic violence the effect it can have on children. When children witness domestic violence, they do not go unscathed. No doubt, the primary person who has witnessed, who is involved in domestic violence or who is the victim, gets the main pain. But the children also are affected in the sense that children who are in homes where domestic violence happens, they become anxious. You see them, they are edgy, some of them begin to bite their fingernails. Some of them they lose their focus, they lose concentration in classes. Then they have what we call PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. A lot of these children retrogress. The things they have, habits they have overcome as children, they begin to do those things. We notice that they have things like nightmares, they begin to bedwet. Some of them even start crying unnecessarily or whining or even sucking their thumbs. Then there is also what we call the physical challenges that come from children witnessing domestic violence. Stomach aches, headaches are usually what they report of. And then there is the repeats of the cycle. Because this is what they are used to, they tell themselves that the best way to resolve a conflict is to become violent or aggressive, or even timid or passive aggressive. So I want that as those of us who are watching to understand that domestic violence is not just about the people involved in the marriage. The adverse effects on the children are things that we must also consider. So if you're going through domestic violence or you are the one who is abusing someone, even if you're not going to seek help because of yourself, please consider the children in making sure that you seek help so that our children do not repeat the cycle.